This evening is all about good vibes, and you can see the colors changing behind me because I have 3 projects that are all about good vibes. Let's see what's up over here. I'm Lisa. This is NFT Rex. Let's go. Okay, so the first one here is Mystics. There are only 10k followers thus far, but if you take into account first tweet ever was 16 hours ago. So this does have a really big potential, and there is a good reason why it has such potential. It is not just the art, and it definitely reeks of invisible friends. The person behind it is Marcus Magnuson, and this is the person behind Invisible Friends and Garbage Friends. So of course 100k followers for this guy, and this guy decided to start another project, and it is this one, Mystics. So you should definitely keep your eyes open for this one. You know, of course, bells and everything. I think this one has potential. The art is definitely gonna be off the charts. I mean, the recognizable style of Invisible Friends and the recognizable imagination. So yes, you should definitely take a look at this one. Okay, the next project is Flower Fam, and this project has Discord closed, just as well as the Mystics. Discords are still closed, so we are super early for these projects, but these guys already have 40k. They joined in January this year. The people behind it are Demeter E, and you can check him out. So he is exclusively involved with this particular Flower Fam project. Together with him is Lil Lotus. So his name is kind of a flower, and he said over here that he is devoting, he has a doodle, okay, boasting, and he is devoting all his time and resources building a Family Fam NFT. And what is it about Family Fam that we are looking forward to? Okay, so this looks like it's gonna be a metaverse to me. They say welcome to your new home, so definitely there are gonna be some plots to be purchased. This kind of reminds me of Mario. Oh, jump, get those coins. Okay, the art looks great. I mean, look at this. This looks so cool, kind of as if it has many projects merged into one, with this kind of a hat and kind of Invisible Friends, and so many projects merged into one. Yeah, okay. Okay, looking cool. I cannot wait to see how this whole Flower Fam story unravels, but the good vibes here. Good vibes, and I cannot wait for the good vibe Discord. Okay, and the third one is the mangas, and the mangas casting the spells into the metaverse. But this one looks so happy and positive. Oh, 10k, okay, they're really proud of it, and they should be, why not? So they are really thankful, and the art looks really nice. Kind of 90s kind of vibe, but looks so nice. First tweet ever for this project happened on March 22nd. Yeah, Discord is not open yet, but this is such a fresh project. 10k followers, you can be one of the first people, be an OG for this project. And yes, who knows, it may go to wherever the Maguses go. They can easily go to the moon, I guess. Okay, so 3 good vibes projects, and I just hope there are many good vibe projects coming to NFT world and the metaverse in the future. I'm definitely gonna keep a close look at all the 3 projects happening here, and I suggest you do the same. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed the video, please take a second, like and subscribe, and may the odds be in your favor.